Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my recent Nespresso accessories order that I received. And in this set, I got 3 different accessories, and it's listed on the Nespresso website as the Coffee Essentials bundle. And so what I got was a travel mug, 2 coffee mugs, and a capsule holder. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open them all up here and just show you what they all look like. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the capsule holder. Let's get this out of the way for now. Okay, so here is the box. This is called the Bonbonniere. I hope I'm saying that right. It's right there in the bottom. It's Bonbonniere. Someone let me know if I'm saying it wrong. This is in the View collection. And then just like right away I can tell like the packaging is really nice. Let me see if I can slide this off. Okay, so here it is. And this is like, feels like an acrylic container. And it just sits right there. It's like super really clear. It's pretty lightweight, but it has like it's like a little bit heavier on the bottom here. Here's, looks like a little flyer. Here it says View collection, and it just looks like it has a picture of everything in the collection. And on the back there's just some information talking about the View collection. And then right here, looks like some information on the care. So it says the capsule dispenser is made of PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong. To me, it's like it feels like an acrylic plastic. It says it's sensitive to scratching or scuffing and to any significant heat source. So to clean it, you use a soft cloth moistened with lukewarm water, and avoid using a dry cloth because rubbing it with a dry cloth may make dust particles abrasive and could scratch the surface. And there's just some more like care information in there. And so there it is, and right there, I don't know if you can see, it's like embossed with the word Nespresso right there on the side. Let's get some, I have some capsules here so we can see what it looks like with all the capsules. Now I have a tray that I set my my coffee machine on, and the tray slides out, and I can store some capsules in there, but it only fits about 20 capsules. And so what I end up doing is I like end up having some like leftover guys or some loners when I get to the end of a flavor and I want to reload my tray with a new sleeve. So I always end up having these little like leftover guys. And what I usually do is just stick it in a drawer, but then I can't see them and I don't see what I have, and I tend to forget what I have. So this I thought was cool because then I can store it on the countertop in my kitchen, and I thought it would look really pretty. And right there, it already looks really pretty with all the different colored capsules. I always love all the different colored capsules that Nespresso makes. And so yeah, there it is. It's really cute. And it has like a really good hand feel. It feels like a high quality item. It doesn't feel really flimsy at all. It's got a nice large opening there for you to reach in, and you can see easily like all around, you know, it's for crystal clear. You can easily see what capsule you're grabbing for. So that's the Bonbonniere. Next I'm going to open up the coffee mug set. This is from the Vertuo collection. And again, the box is really nice. I feel like Nespresso puts a lot of attention to detail in their packaging. It's like a really thick cardboard here. This is here on the side. It has like the Nespresso logo right there. It's really pretty, really nice. Okay, so there's the mugs. Hold up so you can see it. And this is a 2-mug set, and it came with 2 little spoons, and here's the little flyer right here. Like it's kind of, again, the same thing with like pictures of the entire collection. And on the back there's a picture of the designer. Okay, so here's what the mug looks like. And it's got a really good weight to it. The glass is really thick. It seems really thick to me. It seems thicker on the bottom and then it like tapers up. That could be an illusion, but that's what it feels like to me. And it's got a really good hand feel to it. I mean, it feels like it fits in the hand really well. It's a good size. And then here at the bottom, it has the Nespresso logo. I wouldn't say it was etched on there. It's like a raised logo right there. It's like a raised logo. And this is just really nice. It says it's on the bottom, it says made in France. It says made in France, and then it's got the little Nespresso logo again on the bottom. And this set came with 2 mugs. And then it also came with 2 little spoons. And here are the spoons. And I don't know what the material is up here. Maybe like a little, feels plasticky to me on the handle, but it has a little Nespresso logo right there as well. And it's a really cute shape. Be perfect for, you know, scooping your sugar and stirring your coffee. That's just really cute. I have a few Nespresso accessories and I've been pleased with all of them. And so when I had my eye on this coffee mug set, when I saw that it was part of a bundle, I just knew I had to get it. So I'm glad that I did. So those are the mugs right here. And the last part of the bundle is this travel mug. This is also part of the Vertuo collection. Here it is. And if you can see it right there. It's a stainless steel mug, and it has like a rubber ring or rubber band that goes around the middle, and it has the Nespresso logo or the Nespresso name kind of like etched into that rubber part. And the lid just screws on, screws off. And there is a max fill line that's noted or marked on the inside of the mug. And this also has a good hand feel to it. It's a good size, fits in your hand well, and then it has a little, I don't know if you could see that, it has like a little latch here that you can snap shut, like if you're driving or walking around with it, you don't want it to splash or spill. So that's nice, and it's really secure. It's not flimsy at all. It has a really, like, you know when it's shut. There it is. And then this came with a little flyer as well, and this has instructions on washing it and maintaining it. It says right here, do not fill beyond the max line, you know, your standard information. It also says, I don't know if it's dishwasher safe. Okay, right here on the back it does say this product is dishwasher safe, but do not use it in a microwave or the freezer. So there we go. So these are the 3 items that I got in my bundle. I got this travel mug, this capsule dispenser called the Bonbonniere, and then these 2 glass mugs. So priced individually, I believe the Bonbonniere is $35. The Vertuo travel mug is $25, and then the 2 glass set is $39. So altogether, if you bought each item individually, it would have been $99 US on the website. And because I got it in the Coffee Essentials bundle on the website, it was only $69.30. So it's about 30% off, which I thought was a good deal, especially if you wanted like two of the 3 things anyway. It's definitely a good deal. What I wanted for sure were these mugs, and I'm always on the lookout for a good deal. So when I saw the bundle, I was like, well, I justified it in my mind, getting everything together. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.